Welcome to the project demonstration of RFID based mobile phone charging with piezoelectric plates, and also we are going to do the automation by using the temperature sensor to control the fan and LDR based light controlling system. So here the whole system driven by this Arduino Uno board, so which is taking care of inputs from the piezo plates, and that voltage will be generated from this one displayed on the LCD screen, and the temperatures from this temperature sensor and LDR sensor. Based on this, we are going to control this fan through this transistor board and these lights through this transistor board. So here we are using the boost converter, as we know that millivolts of power will be generated from these piezo plates. So we need to boost up that to make sufficient to charge a battery, and that will be used for the mobile phone charging through this electromagnetic relay. So whenever the person walking on this platform, the voltage will be generated through these wires. That is the input to this boost converting circuits, and parallelly that is the input to the A0 pin of our Uno board, and continuously we are measuring the voltage and displayed on the LCD screen. And the same voltage will be converted into 12 volts and stored in the 12 volts battery. And whenever you want to charge a mobile phone, we need to use the 5 volts power supply only. For that purpose, we need to regulate that 12 volts DC to 5 volts DC with the help of this LM2596 voltage regulator. So that is given as input to this USB connector through this electromagnetic relay. So when it will get switched on, whenever the person want to recharge his mobile phone or a mobile phone, then he need to show his authorized tag at this RFID module, so which was interfaced at the pin number 8 of our Uno board. Based on this RFID authentication, then the system will on this electromagnetic relay, and the timer will continuously run on this LCD screen. So we have provided 60 seconds for the demonstration purpose to charge a mobile phone. So let me explain you the components. Temperature, as we discussed, and LDR interface at A0, A1 pin of our Uno board, and based on these two inputs, we are going to control the fan and the lights through these transistor boards, which we have connected at pin number 11 and 12 pin, and the piezo plates voltage measuring purpose from the boost converter to the A1 pin of our microcontroller, so Arduino Uno board. And we are going to use a 12 volt 1 amp battery. This battery pack consists of 3 4 volt 1 amp batteries are in series, so we will get 12 volt 1 amp. So the output from this 12 volt 1 amp battery is the input to the Arduino Uno board and to the LM2596, and also we are going to charge a battery in two ways. One is from the piezoelectric plates. Whenever there is no source is generating from these piezoelectric plates, then we can charge a battery from this transformer just by connecting that to the 230 volts AC input directly. Then there will be a LED indication, we can see that, right? So this LED indication which will show the status of battery is charging. So it will get fully charged in a duration of around 6 hours maximum. After that, automatically this charging circuits will block the current flow from the transformer to the battery once the battery is fully charged. After the time completion, you can just disconnect the power supply to the transformer, and this is the main on off switch to on the total circuitry. And here the LCD interface at the pin number 2 to 7. So let me explain again the components. This is the piezo plate and DC fan and LED based on the temperature sensor and LDR inputs. So based on the RFID tag shown on this RFID reader, microcontroller will on this electromagnetic relay, and which will getting the 5 volts power supply from the 12 volts battery to the LM2596 regulator to the USB connector over here. And the next, this is the breadboard to distribute the 5 volts power supply throughout the total circuitry, nothing but to the LDR sensors and temperature sensor and LCD and remaining all other modules. And here RFID module just to read the things of the RFID tags, and transformer to charge our battery through this regulated power supply board. So let us see the demonstration. So you should take care of the battery, it should be in full charge condition before on the circuits. So once you on the circuits, then there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen. So let me show you. Right, welcome message, and after that automatically the voltage measured from the piezo plates will be displayed, and the temperature also. So let me show you the power generation. Just I am applying force. You can see that voltage is increasing over there. Right. Okay. So as I cover that LDR, so that's why the light got switched on. So next, coming to the automation. Right. Meanwhile, just show the RFID tag and connect a mobile phone. So we are using the C-type connector over here, providing that. Just connect. Right. As of now, there is no charging indication on the mobile phone. Whenever the person want to charge his mobile phone, then just show the tag, then the card number will be displayed and the timer will start running and the mobile phone is charging now. Okay, so it will keep on running for timer which is showing on the LCD. So meanwhile, we can check the voltage also generating from the piezo plates, and let us cover the LDR. Then we will get the light on status, and let me increase the temperature also now. When the temperature crosses the 40 degrees centigrade, then automatically the fan got switched on. When it is coming to normal temperature, the fan is off state again. So right. So in this manner, we are going to provide the power supply from the piezo plates to charge a mobile phone through the battery based on the RFID authentication. Right. Once the time completes, you can see that the relay off and charging was disconnected. Right. So parallelly, we are going to do the automation for light and fan controlling system so that we can save the power based on this sensor based automation.